Hello, for today's episode, we're going to go over how to zoom an image in Lightroom. There's a couple different ways you can do that. You can do that here in the Navigator panel with the fit or the drop down fill. You see the fill kind of zooms your image in a little bit to fill that window, but it does show some cropping, which you can see over here in the Navigator panel. Um, Normally, what I do is I work in fit, and then I will work with a 100% zoom. So you can kind of just toggle between those two just by clicking the screen there. You also do have some options for setting some semi-custom zoom levels between 6% to 1600%. Normally, if I'm going to use one of those, 200% is about the maximum zoom level that I ever need. But normally what I do is I work between 100% zoom and the fit and just toggle back and forth between there. There's a couple other ways you can do this as well. You can do that with your keyboard shortcuts by pushing either Control or Command equals, and that will zoom you in, or Control or Command minus, and that zooms you out. And then you can toggle in between those. But if you notice, when you're doing the Control or Command equals or minus, that changes your zoom levels up here in the Navigator window, and then that's going to be what stays there until you select a new option. So you can set this to whatever it is you want it to be, and then just toggle between those two. Or if you just want to do 100% zoom, just click on the 100% up there, and that will set that, and it just remembers that. So you can go back and forth between that. And then if you ever want to change this, you can either do that here, or by using Control or Command plus, or excuse me, equals or minus. And that's it for zooming through the windows and zooming on your pictures. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you like this one right here, we have another video showing you the overall layout of Lightroom that you can click on the card up above, and we'll see you in the next video.